In the punch list area of the dashboard, the objective here is to manage the things that you're not able to complete on an installation because you're either short something that you need to have manufactured and gotten ready for you to take to the job site the next trip, or you didn't complete all the things that you intended to complete, and so this is the reminder, or in case someone else has to complete the project for you. And it should be room specific. And so you see here we've just got 2 projects in this punch list area, and each one of them has a project listed as the primary punch list, and then each one of these items, finish installing crown mold, is specific to a room or all the rooms. In this case, all 3 of these punch list items are specific to the kitchen. There's not any other rooms involved in this particular project. If we go to the Buckley remodel, all we have to do is install an appliance panel or the appliance panels in the kitchen. So here's your options in the status field. There's reported that we need this thing or we need to do this thing, and then scheduled, when are we going to come back and do that. This scheduled is not as relevant to punch list. Usually it's just the next day we go installing we would do that, but on a callback it's very relevant. And then in progress, you're working on it, and then completed, you're done. For this caused by status, we have several options here, and of course you can add some and delete some if some of these are not applicable to you or you see other things you need. But not applicable means that it's nobody's fault. It wasn't caused by anyone. We just need to do it. And then ran out of time, obviously, is we were installing this kitchen or this room of cabinetry and we didn't get done, and we're going to come back tomorrow or some other day. Vendor may have shorted us something. The homeowner may have had a disagreement about how something should have been done. The builder or remodeler might have a disagreement about how something should have been done. Another subcontractor might have damaged it. We might have spent 2 or 3 days there. And in between starting and finishing, maybe another subcontractor, like a painter, broke a rail or something like that. And then we don't know who caused it. And then our company, we shorted ourselves something, we didn't load the trailer right, we damaged something, or we cut the trim or molding in the wrong order, and so we ran out, those kind of things. And so that is everything about the punch list. I will make the distinction in both of these videos, the callback and the punch list. A punch list is you've gone out to install and you just can't finish. Callback is the homeowner or the builder or the remodeler has called and said something is wrong. And you'll have a lot of the same type caused by and status type approach to it, but it is a different thing. So that's it for punch list.